having a baby. Well, not me. Marisol's having a baby. My brother and my sister-in-law are having a baby. We are gonna leave right now to the hospital. She is getting induced right now. I am so excited. She actually gave birth last year to Chubbs. We call him Chubbs, like that's literally his nickname, but his name is Luis Sebastian Garcia. Tina is on her way. Marisol actually had Chubbs last year in November, and anywhere from 3 to 5 months after Chubbs, to their surprise, to our surprise, to everybody's surprise, they were pregnant and having another baby. Her name is Valentina. We're gonna call her Tina. We already all have that nickname for her, Tina. And I'm just so freaking excited, but I'm also really sad because I actually fly out tomorrow morning to Florida because I'm gonna be on HSN, which is really exciting, but I really wish I could be here. And family comes first, of course, always. And I actually set the date to go out to Florida for HSN tomorrow because Marisol was due next week, but her blood pressure has been going up lately, so baby has to come out. And not only that, Tina already weighs over 8 pounds, but doctors say she's basically ready. I knew that she was gonna be due next week, so I was like, I can't fly out when the baby's due. So I took matters into my own hands and was like, I'm gonna fly out a week before. And it turns out she's getting induced today and I fly out tomorrow. It would just be amazing for her to be born while I'm here, but also if she's not, as long as she's born healthy, like it's fine if I'm like across the country. It breaks my heart. But I'm actually gonna be in Florida for legitimately gonna be in Florida for 24 hours or less actually. As long as little Tina is born healthy, like it's fine if I'm not here. I'll be back the next day, you know. We are here. It's freaking cold out here.
Welcome.
She said that you were gonna see something maternity. I literally want to scream right now. Oh my god.
Oh wait.
Oh my god. Hello, sister. Guys, we're here. Oh my god. Wait, have you gotten like epidural yet or no?
No, but the guy already came and he told me.
Can we just talk about Marisol's nails? Like she's about to give birth and her nails are actually iconic. So this is the entrance. So is this the restroom? And then this is like where they put the baby and everything. And then, you know, where Marisol's giving birth. Like
I think this one's just fluids because I was dehydrated.
Oh, okay.
And then they're gonna do the
Pitocin?
Pitocin, something like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's not on yet.
Yeah.
It says turn on. Beep. You know, I'm just kidding. Oh, okay. And then these are over here, the contractions and stuff. You're gonna give, I feel like she's gonna be born like 8 in the morning, 9, 10.
That's what we're hoping.
Right when I'm on that plane.
Hopefully in the morning, but I think at its latest, hopefully at night.
Tomorrow night.
Isn't it crazy how you're literally gonna walk out of here with another baby?
I know. Like this is happening.
Insane.
I wonder how Chubbs is doing.
But I think I had a feeling. Like when we were getting ready after you, huh?
Aw,
He was
Chubbs.
crying, and then when we got him off on the mom's too, he was just staring at us. So, yeah.
We hear a baby crying. Somebody was just born. Oh my god. So cute.
Like right now I'm having one.
You're having one right now?
It takes her breath away. I feel like I just close my eyes and I'm like, breathe. Done? Like
For this? Oh my god.
No, like we baptized our baby on last week.
She really thought you got your nails done to go into labor. I'm crying. Also, the only ones that are here right now is Marisol, obviously, Luis, the daddy, which is my brother, and then me and Raul. Nobody else is here yet because we know that since she got, like now we know that when someone gets induced, if their cervix is like not ready, it takes a little longer. And that was the case last time when Chubbs took like 3 days. So we're expecting this to be a long labor. So that's why no one's here yet. Because last time like we were here like all 3 days. But Myra's gonna come in a little bit. So I've talked about Slime Mania a lot. And if you haven't heard, I'm going to Slime Mania. It's the 16th of this month. Well, the ones that are actually hosting this event, surprise, Luis and Marisol. And I'm actually dead right now because the fact that she's legit having contractions right now, but she's still working on Slime Mania. Like, I don't know how the heck you guys are doing it. Like, they're literally sitting here right now talking about making like new flyers or whatever as she's having contractions. And we're literally like having a full-blown meeting right now talking about it. Also, I just saw this right here. This is so cute. I saw Valentino from far away. I was like, oh my god. So this is it.
I get some that don't hurt, and then I get the longer ones and those hurt.
I feel like I remember last time when she was getting strong contractions, that was like on the last day, and she's already having like the long contractions. So Tina works hard, but Marisol works harder. I don't understand how you're just so calm right now. We stand a hard working queen. Well, look what the cat dragged in. I'm just kidding. Oh, this is where they're gonna put her little feet print. Her footprints, her feet prints. I'm an idiot. Oh my god. Still no baby. More contractions though.
This bed is literally gonna fall. You know
how they fix it up?
And they left the room right away. My stomach was like pull it out because they couldn't. So they did it 3 times here, and then they did it once here.
So they just couldn't find you.
So like all this is sore because they were trying to look for my baby. So then they just called the anesthesiologist that does epidural, and he found it like literally like in a freaking second. I was like, I've always been scared of getting an IV. I don't know why, and I still am.
So it's not a needle.
It's like a little. They first go in with the needle, but when they pull out the needle, se queda dentro como una manguerita. Like
so it's like a little needle. It makes sense because if it was a needle, that would be hurting her.
Imagine if it was a needle, how would you like move?
It would literally be stabbing you and moving, yeah.
She's like, no, she's like, it's literally like a little noodle.
You learn something new every day, kids. It's not a needle, it's a noodle. It's macaroni and cheese.
When I'm pregnant, I could eat a whole box of macaroni and cheese by myself.
Me too, but I'm not pregnant. It's funny how Chubbs has no idea that he's having a little sister.
I know.
So right now, Marisol has this, it's like a medicine that they put. Cervitex. It's something that goes, you know, in the like, it's to open the cervix, I guess. So they put that in at 9:30, almost 5 hours ago. You're snoring.
Now they're hurting.
It's already 3 a.m. I have to go already because I gotta catch a flight and I still haven't packed anything. They're actually getting really close together, so that's really good news, but it sucks that I gotta go. Goodbye, Tina. I'll see you later. Literally. Oh my god. Last time I see Marisol pregnant, I'm shook. God, Marisol's like about to literally start pushing right now. We have Brian here. Luis and my mom. She's ready. Oh my god.
Is it hot in here? Have a baby.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so crazy. You guys, literally, like, they put this on the floor. It's going down.
I'm gonna put this up here. Hold your breath, chin your chest, and push. Push all down here like you're pooping. Good job. Check my picture. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, take a breath. Push, 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 push. Okay, go as long as you can and then take a breath, okay? 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, stop. You're doing too good. Rest your legs down. I'm gonna go call Dr. Lee, okay? Okay. You see her already? Oh, yeah. Such cute blonde hair.
Really? I was like, what?
Baby, that's not my baby.
Pull your legs back. Big deep breath in. Chin to your chest and push hard as you can. Her with hard, 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 hard.
1, 2, 3,
Keep going, keep
4,
going.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Push hard, 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 hard.
Push.
Oh my god.
Push. Push longer. Longer.
All right, take a breath and go right back into it. Push hard, 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 hard. Hard, 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 hard.
Oh my god.
Keep going.
Oh my god.
Keep going, keep going.
Oh my god.
Good job.
Push, push.
Push, push, push. Hard, 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 hard.